celery juice is very good for you and has a lot of antioxidants. You should be consuming. Welcome to another video. I'll be showing you how to make celery juice and some apple juice. So I already cut my apples into small sizes. I'll cut this also into small sizes, and of course I'll be using my mix blender to blend it. So just follow along with me as I do that. So we're trying to make a green juice, but in this case I'm using red apples instead of green apples, so you can enjoy all the tastes that comes with there's only a cutting of and then we'll be blending this with some water. So that's my celery all cut up. Transfer it to my blender. I hope it blends all at once. And I'll be adding some water. So that's 2 cups of water. I'm also going to be adding lemon. I already have my juice lemon, so we'll just add it to it. So it can come out of the strainer when juicing. So just liquefy this time. Speed. And that's it blended. And backward with our mix blender. And here we have our celery juice and apple juice. We'll just sieve using our strainer. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use a cheesecloth. I can't find my cheesecloth, so I'll just use a strainer. I've ordered another one on Shein, but they are yet to deliver. No, on AliExpress, so they are yet to deliver. I should get it pretty soon. So this is just with the strainer. It's with the cheesecloth it's easier. You just press on. Doing that. Just keep straining until you have all the liquid as much as you can. This is what it looks like. You can strain this further, but I think I have enough. quarter of this cup. So just pour it into it. And then you mix. Just mix it up. Mix, yeah. Juice combination. And then you can bottle it. So I'm gonna put mine into this bottle. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So let's taste our celery and apple juice. So this is what it looks like. Wow, it's very refreshing. I think the lemon kind of adds a sweet taste to it, and then with the apple. So cheers to a healthy you. Make sure you stay healthy. Make sure you consume fruits, more of fruits and vegetables as much as you can. Add them to your daily diet, and then you'll be good to go. See you on another video where I'll be showing you how to make another set of juice. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.